the bulbourethral gland or the Cowper's gland. The function of these accessory organs is to secrete and form a fluid material for the sperm cell. So they are collectively known as the seminal fluid. Seminal fluid contains your vitamin C, fructose, phospholipids, your sperm cell, and other substances. I repeat, these three accessory organs are responsible for secreting your fluid. They are collectively known as seminal fluid. You have your seminal vesicle, the Cowper's or the bulbourethral gland, and the prostate gland. So, yung inilalabas na during ejaculation, hindi yun purong sperm cell lang. Yun ay may kahalo na vitamin C, phospholipids, fructose, sperm cell, and of course, other substances. Okay? The responsible for the milky appearance of the seminal fluid is due to the prostate gland. It accounts for about 13 to 33% of the total volume, and the remaining 60% coming from the seminal vesicles. Clear? Maliwanag? Okay. The Cowper's or the bulbourethral gland, on the other hand, is responsible for secreting mucus. Mucus serves as a lubricant. Okay? It serves as a lubricant. Again, how long again is the urethra? May
20 centimeters
or
18 centimeters.
Okay, and it is divided again into three. You have your affected, prostatic, and the spongy. Okay. Between the membranous and the spongy, they are lined by a connective tissue known as
Nasa kabang.
These are the two connective tissue lining your membranous and spongy urethra. The corpora cavernosa and the corpora spongiosa. Connective tissue. Okay? So, nasaan yun? Ito yun, class. Yung color purple. Yan. From here, yan, hanggang ito, yan. Ano? Kaya yung purple surrounding the, from the membranous, di ba ganyan yan? Yan. So, from here, from the membranous urethra, itong purple na yan hanggang sa spongy urethra, these are your corpora cavernosa and spongiosum, connective tissue. Those connective tissue is responsible for the erection. O kaya sila tumatayo at tumitigas. Meron bang hindi nagaganon dito? Meron? Baka supot pa yan. Kaya hindi tumatayo, so tumitigas. Ibig sabihin mo lang flag ceremony.
Wala din po yung BPH.
Ganon? Okay. The function of your urethra is dual. One is an excretory, elimination of the urine, and the other one is reproductive, the passageway and elimination of your seminal fluid. Maliwanag ba? Hoy.
Yes.
Okay, for the external genitalia, so this is the penis. Penis ito ha, hindi penis. Penis. Ayan. The measurement of the penis, it varies. Titingnan ko. Okay na tao, titingnan ko.
Wala po.
Wala ka nun? Diba? Wala bata na. Okay. It depends on the...
Pag digestive, tahimik eh. Urinary.
Factor. Okay. So the average is 4 to 6 inches long. Okay, 4 to 6 inches long. Okay, so this is the penis. This is the glans penis, G-L-A-N-S, space penis, or the head. The foreskin, this one, yung base, F-O-R-E-S-K-I-N, called prepuce, P-R-E-P-U-C-E. The foreskin initially covers the glans penis until they reach between 10
Ganda
to
nito.
12.
Nagawan ako ng pwesto.
Ay,
dyan ka ba? Oo, mamaya.
Okay? The homologous of your penis in female is the labia majora. And the homologous
Palinawan ba ito?
The homologous of the penis in female is the clitoris, rather, and the homologous of your scrotum, rather, is your labia majora. Okay? Pag sinabing homologous, counterpart. At the age of 6 weeks, age of gestation, 6 weeks, ibig sabihin, isang buwan at isang linggo na edad ng bata, kasi napupunan ng nanay, malalaman na ang mature and fully development ng reproductive system. Kaya lang, ito ay madidetermine at 8 months or 32 weeks age of gestation para ma-confirm ang gender. Kasi pareho sila ng embryologic development o yung pagsisimulan. Mag-iiba lang yan, mag-differentiate lang ito male or female kapag nasa 32 weeks na. Maliwanag ba? Again, for the